to the left side of your phone, you should find your SIM card's slot cap. There you could see a bit of a gap. Put your nail into this gap and pull out the cap. Inside it, you could find the micro SD card. To the top of this, there is this SIM card tray and it has a tiny knob. So put your nail beneath this knob and pull out the tray just like this, and the SIM card folds. Get your new SIM card, make sure the chip is facing upwards and the notch on the SIM card and the tray are matching and it is perfectly sitting inside the tray. And now gently push in this SIM card tray with the SIM card into the SIM card slot. Also make sure that it is completely in, otherwise your phone wouldn't detect the SIM card. So to make sure that my phone is detecting the SIM card, I turn my phone back on, my phone restarts, and as you can see, it detects the new SIM card. Now it's time to put back on the micro SD card, and now simply push in the micro SD card inside the slot and make sure it is completely in, and now you could use your phone with the new SIM card.